What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we have a beautiful 2020 Lamborghini Urus. It has the 1016 forged carbon wide body kit. It's a beautiful car and it now sounds just as good as it looks. We've equipped our full catback Lamborghini Urus titanium exhaust system. Why don't you guys come around back, show you guys the beautiful titanium tips that we have back here. Slant cut with our logo on top. I think it looks reasonably spectacular with this 1016 wide body kit as well. We put a lot of time, energy, and effort into perfecting the sound for this car. These cars can sometimes sound like boats, but with our system, we have a H-pipe in the center, and we even have an X-pipe below the rear muffler, which really increases the sound, the velocity, and gives you that F1 sound experience for a car that usually wouldn't have it. So throughout this video, we're gonna show you all of the sound characteristics. We're gonna do startup, we're gonna do revs, we're gonna do flybys, we're gonna do hard accelerations, we're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and we're gonna do some interior clips as well, just so you know exactly what your Lamborghini Urus would sound like with our full exhaust system. Let's get to the sound. Alrighty folks, we are inside the Lamborghini Urus. As you can hear, there's a lot of drama, bass, and aggression. We have the windows down, 2,000 RPM, second gear. But as you know, this is probably somebody's daily. Let's close up the valves. Goes back to being bone stock, even with the catless downpipe. So as you guys can hear, so quiet. Car sounds like it's bone stock. Gonna roll the windows up. It's very dark in here. The customer has very dark tint on this car, but I can whisper to you. It's very, very docile in here. Rolled around, there's no drone, no unwanted frequencies. You know, at Valvetronic, we like to keep it loud, so I'm gonna stop talking, open up the valves, and let you guys enjoy. Lots of overrun as well. Hear all the overrun back there. Just really smooth all the way throughout the rev range. Yeah, very nice. Hear that? Listen to how smooth it is. So I'm gonna start at 1,000 RPM.